Dun 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 dun. Yes, I am trying the Jurassic Park Blizzard from Dairy Queen, so I am super stoked about it because it is one, it's Jurassic Park related, which is like my one of my favorite movies in the whole wide world, and yeah, you can. I guess you can kind of guess how old I am because I keep calling it Jurassic Park instead of Jurassic World, but whatever's. Um, yeah, this is peanut butter cookie bits mixed up with chocolate chip cookie dough, and I'm super duper excited to try this. Like, yeah, everything about this sounds amazing. I kind of wish it had the Jurassic Park cup, but I guess those aren't out yet. But whatever's. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty totally awesome. Yeah, it's totally awesome. So yeah, on a scale of 1 to 5, I'm gonna give the Jurassic Park Blizzard or the Jurassic World Blizzard from Dairy Queen 5 scoops of happiness.